guys, today I'm going to be making slime, and I have all my ingredients. I have activator, and glue in a container. I'm going to waste this on your phone, and I have okay. Alright, so let's pour the glue in. I don't want to add too much because I'm going to be making slime. Today it's 4. We're going to make a white slime. Hopefully it turns out white because that's the color I wanted it. Alright. So, that's how much. I know it's so tiny. Let's get some activator. I don't want to add so much because I want it to be white. So, it's liquidy. No. 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 It's liquid. Are you kidding? No. I don't care if this turns out. Oh, I thought it was not forming. Well, it's white. It's kind of white. It's kind of blue. It's white and blue at the same time. I got kind of scared there. If only. I'm sorry. I'm just so excited because it's forming. Oh. I went in with my hands a little bit. Oh my god. I added too much. No. Okay, guys, I have to be good. Slap. Oh, it's forming. Ah, oh. Dad, is Tiana at Big House today? Man, she didn't see me for my birthday. Well, Mama don't even. One, Mama don't even like. I said one, Mama don't even know her like that. Alrighty, guys. This is some good slime. It's like, it's still a form of like kind of glue. But, oh man, it's good. It's good. You know, so let me get the rest out. Get the rest out. Oh my gosh. More activator or more glue? Captain Man and Kid Danger. I'll be back when I get it neat. Ah, my hands are so dirty. I can't press it because I don't want to like get an activator or glue. My back. We've already been recording for 8 minutes. A tripod. I have a lot of glue. So I'm meeting it. I'll be back when I get it neat. Now that my hands are kind of clean. Guys, this is how neat I can get it. It is pretty stretchy. And it feels pretty good. Now I'm going to empty the container and clean my mess up. And I will be, wait. I'll be right back, sorry. Okay, so this is what the slime looks like. It's kind of still liquidy. That's how neat I can get it, so yeah. But it does stretch. It makes popping sounds. The thing is, it doesn't click good. I can't hear anything. If y'all can hear anything, then I need to do my throat shirt. picture really So, I hope you enjoyed the vid. Like, comment, what is your favorite type of slime, and what color do you like your slimes to be? It could be any type of color. It can be black, it can be brown, it can be poopy color. It doesn't matter. It can be rainbow. But make sure you go subscribe and turn on my notifications so you know when I make a video. And also make sure to what's I gonna say? Follow me on Funimate, TikTok, and Snapchat. They will be down in the description.